little artists. What are we drawing? Something sparkling, something colorful. It's nail polish. Are you ready for a fabulous art session? Grab your markers because today we're adding a touch of style to our canvas. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Let's create a beautiful hand with some stunning nail polish together. Imagine a lovely hand in your mind. Now, let's draw it with me. Add those fingers and nails, and let's make them as pretty as can be. Now, let's make our hand even more glamorous. Draw some stylish nails. And don't forget the accessories. A ring with a heart-shaped stone and a trendy bracelet. But wait, the star of our show is yet to come, the nail polish bottle. Let's draw it right next to our stylish hand. Give it some personality by adding eyes, a cute mouth, and of course, the cap and brush.
Awesome!
Now, let's make those outlines bold and sharp to make our glamorous creation pop. Let's add a splash of color to our fabulous hand. Are you ready to name some dazzling hues? Cream color. Blue color. Pink color. Gold color. Red color. Purple color. Red pink color. Pink color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Ta-da! Our fabulous hand with colorful nails and sparkling nail polish is ready for a night out. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Until next time, keep drawing, keep shining, and have a fabulous time with your art. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.